It's a marvel of engineering, guys. Wow.
We will serve as your guides.
And depends on which line you are, you can hear a different language. Oh, look at the fan.
Some set down roots.
Not focusing. Hello? There you go. Oh my god, look at the line, guys. If you're wondering what line it is for, I'll show you guys when we turn here. There you go. Wow! Massive! Holy! It's massive, bro. So look at this. Dang! It's a marvel of engineering, guys. Wow! Wonder how much electricity it consumes, bro. Oh, this is the entrance here. Oh, is this quartz? Oh, you can already see the structures, the pillars holding it up. That's cool. All right, now we're talking. What even is there? Oh, it's a moving robot. Let's see.
I am Aura, one of 5 Aura robots here within the atrium. We will serve as your guides. Additionally, you will find holographics and a sound demonstration. If you have any questions or simply wish to chit-chat, please make your way towards my robotic coordinator. Hello. What is your name? Arim. Happy to meet you, Arim. Where are they? Hello, hello, hello. It seemed as if you had a question. You have asked, how do I define life? Allow me to ask for clarification. Are you referring to my robotic life or to human life? You have asked, how do I define human life? Again, this will have many facets. There are things such as biological needs, which cause life. There are also spiritual needs to fulfill life. It seems as if, to live a fulfilled life, a human must pursue companionship as well as interests. Thank you for your clarity. A pleasure meeting you.
Man, that was cool, bro. The guy was like asking her questions, then she was actually looking at him. And then when he asked, did you come with your friends? And then he pointed to the crowd, and she actually looked at the crowd and said hi. Like, yo, that's crazy, man. That is awesome. Oh my G, look at that. Woo! So many more stuff here.
It's the same one as the other.
I think that's the escalator going up to our seats. So, the bridge and the Venetian. Wait, they have access to the Venetian? Look at that.
I guess
Right
so.
there. Okay, so I guess they have an access to the Venetian here, because look, right there. Yeah, right there. So if you want like an awesome view of the sphere, and you have like a direct access to this establishment, then check into the Venetian. Very expensive though, so I think they're like 300 to 400 a night. So I think they have a cheaper rooms, but
世界上最大、分辨率最高的无人苹果。
you guys hear that?
This is Spanish.
Here es la sede de la
Whoa.
pantalla más grande.
So we have to go to the other side.
That is cool.
I missed the other starting.
Yo. Alright. I don't know if you can actually hear it in YouTube, but I'll explain it. So there's lines here, guys. There's lines here. There's like different speakers. But if you're not in the line, you're outside the line, you can kind of hear like different sounds of like language. But there's like lines
Follow speeds of sound.
right here.
Walk into various alleys.
See, there's a line here.
Allow me to
There's
share
a line
more
here.
about Sphere's immersive sound
There's
system.
another line here.
Photography online.
And depends on which
Let
line
me
you are,
demonstrate using the
you
speakers
can hear a
behind
different
me.
language. So on the beginning, I was like hearing English, and then I was hearing like on this line right here, I was hearing like French, and then I was hearing Chinese over here, and I was hearing Spanish over here. But when you're outside the line, you hear like different languages. So that is cool.
Perfect copies. Processing. Although I must advise you that the idea of perfection is relative. As of the baking of the perfect cookie, a quest may embark. Here's the tried and true method. Choose your style. Chewy, crispy, or cakey cookie.
All right, guys.
Find your
Right,
way
we
to one of the
finished
four spots.
going around. It was pretty much just a bunch of robots talking to people, and like the the art installations right there. So we're gonna go up now. Go up to our seats and relax before the show. I'll show you how to go up right here. Right here. So up to we're in the 300 sections because we're poor. There we go, guys. It goes all the way up. Nice. Ooh. Those were the lines I was talking about right there. And each line has a different sound you will hear. Like you won't be able to hear the other sounds from the other lines. It's crazy. Anyways, we're going all the way up. Oh, look at the fan. Cool. Alright, let's go. Alright, we have reached the top. This is what the top looks like, guys. Look at that. Actually, there's one more. The 400s, but we are in the 300s, so right there.
307.
307, okay. Oh, that's 307 right there. Alright, guys, let's go in. Sheesh. You know what? I'll just keep rolling. 307. There we go. Alright, you guys can open. 619 to 20, 1 to 4 off right here. 9 to 4. Yo, it's so dark. It's like, wow, it's so quiet here. What is this made of? Metal. The walls are made of metal. That's interesting. Here we go, guys. Oh my god. 91.
307, 92.
9192.
So you're gonna go down the staircase on the right hand side, okay?
Yeah.
Staircase, right hand side. Oh. Yo, look how big. Hold on, let me just. Dang, bruh. Yo. Man, I don't know if my pixel can show you how big this thing is. Dang. There's so many speakers up there. Look at all the speakers, bro. Or are those like the projectors? Okay, anyways, let's go. Oh, this is 20, so we go all the way. We go all the way down, guys. Sheesh. Alright, wow. I gotta be careful here. Looks like I'm gonna slip. Okay, this reminds me of the Kalinking height in Bali. Looks something similar to this. Oh, that's the horse show. I feel like this is where we were.
And as it multiplied, life changed, taking on many forms.
Some life still drifted. Some set down roots. Clung to the rocks.
life interconnected into communities.
Oh my god, look at the quality. Holy. Oh, manta rays. We didn't see this in Bali. Ganito yung sa mall niya. Oh my goodness. No, this is so trippy. I feel like I'm actually in the ocean, bro. Whoa. My God, it's so big. Yo. Hey, don't step on me. Yo, oh my. Bro. Yo.
It stalked and scurried. We praised her in every way we could. Rather than burn our only home down around us.
Alright. How was the show, bro? How was the show?
It was pretty good, actually.
I know.
I thought I was gonna fall off my seat, though.
The sounds were or the audio was so loud, like the seats were shaking. It's crazy. So I see why we're going out now. Paris, bye. See you guys. You as well. And all right, now we are out. Woo. I think we're on the opposite side though, so we have to go around. Oh no. As you can see, that's the Palazzo. The Venetian is over here. And there it is, guys. Look how big that is. Sheesh. That's where we came out. Oh my goodness. Won't even fit on my camera. Dang.